Yes, yo guys, what is going on today? I'm showing you my fidget spinner, guys. Yeah, showing you some tricks and stuff. So let's get into the video. I'm now going to be trying one on my nose. So guys, that was sick, and that was actually quite good to be honest. And yeah, and if most people can obviously do this. What does most do, guys? Guys, and if you haven't seen this fidget spinners, I think that's nice. And that the back. It's normal. I think I like it. So guys, guys, it's like, if you want me to do a giveaway, but I don't know what the giveaway might be. I might be doing a giveaway on this, so like and subscribe. And if you haven't checked my other channel out, please check it out. And yeah, this video isn't gonna be that long because I don't know, because I haven't really got much time because I'm going out soon. So, and yeah. And if you want to see more of me, please comment. And yeah. And yeah. And if like, yeah. So this is the end of this video here. Bye guys.